Hey, this is Kim Kalora with Simple Crafting, and I am so excited because today I received my Chalk Couture starter kit. Now, this is the new starter kit that was released in February of 2018, and it should have, I don't know, I haven't opened the box yet, but it should have 5 pastes and even more transfers and more to love. All for $99. So without further ado, I'm gonna bust into this thing and let's see what we've got. I guess I probably could have gone ahead and, but now y'all know it's definitely never been opened because I can't even open this box. So here's a fun fact. Chalk Couture has really great sturdy packaging. So fantastic that I can't even open it. All right, here we go. Okay, so let's see. We've got the packing list. Bunch of bubble wrap. Let's see, well look, this is gonna be, okay, so there's transfers in here. We'll look at those in just a second. More air wrap stuff. This is going to be the apron. The cotton, heavy cotton apron. Awesome. Looks like it has some pockets, which is always great. These are some little thank you cards. That's fun. All right, now let's look at the paste colors. So the first one is white. This looks like, this is yellow. I wonder if this is school bus yellow. Somebody probably knows. I don't know, it's not on here. And then this is pink. I think this is bubblegum pink. This is evergreen. Now, I know that they are making changes in these labels. So this is the new label that has the perforation in it so that the color will always stay with the lid. And then this is coastal blue. So these are the colors. I'll put them all together so that you can see what they look like all together. So that's a really nice assortment. That'll be great for Easter. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Small squeegee. Angled squeegee. This is a magnetic, steel magnetic board. Oh boy. This is going to be the piece de resistance. All right, so I'm not going to take the corners off of this, but you get the idea. This is the magnetic chalkboard. Let's see. It's pretty good size. All right, so let's take a look at the transfers. Go ahead and move these out of the way. All right, transfers. It's going to be in this folder of goodies here. Turn it this way. I think this is how you guys are angled. Okay, so, so these were made so that you could easily cut them apart. So that way you can do these. Okay, this one you build. So you could do brown Chalkology paste and then let it dry, which takes like no time at all. And then you could do any color flower, and this just lays right on top of that so that it gives these flowers the appearance of being fully colored in. But you could also just leave the outline. I think it would look nice too. And then this is sort of the logo transfers for business building. Join my team, play, share, build. Well, that's fun. Design, love, repeat. Sparkle. I love this one. I'm so happy to have this. I love this one too. Be beautiful or be unique. This one is so fun. It says can't touch this. And again, this is one that you could build on top of because it's got the background, and then you would do this on top. How many different things can we use this for? This is going to be so awesome. It's got the established, the wreath, all the different numbers. You could use this for weddings. You could use just the wreath. You could use the numbers for pretty much, I mean, anything, right? These are flowers. You can cut these apart, and the ladies in my upline were talking about cutting them apart, and you can actually give them away as samples. So I might be doing that for a lucky viewer. And then love this general birthday, everything birthday. So have an awesome birthday, happy birthday, wish big, have an awesome big birthday. You could do anything. And then let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is we're thrilled to have you. And then the startup guide. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the starter kit. $99, which is like a super ridiculous, amazing value. I think it's a $235 value in this kit. And $99 February 2018 kit. Thanks for watching.